Welcome. This instructional video demonstrates the process for configuring a persistent storage volume for PALADIN LTS. By default, a live environment does not save any changes. Everything is lost after a reboot. Creating a persistent volume allows PALADIN to keep custom scripts, case notes, and installed tools, turning it into a more efficient and personalized forensic workstation. To proceed, you will need a bootable PALADIN USB and a designated target drive for your persistent storage. An external SSD or USB 3.0 drive is recommended for optimal performance. The initial step is to boot the workstation from your PALADIN media. Access your system's boot selection menu and select the PALADIN USB drive. From the PALADIN grub menu, it is crucial to select persistent mode. This instructs the operating system to detect and mount a correctly configured persistent volume upon startup. We will now proceed to configure that volume. Once on the desktop, launch the PALADIN toolbox and navigate to Disk Manager. First, identify your intended target volume. Please exercise extreme caution, as this process is destructive and will result in total data loss on the selected partition. Double-check that you have selected the correct device. Next, select the unmounted volume and initiate the format process. Two parameters here are critical for success. First, set the file system to ext4. Second, in the volume label field, you must enter the specific name writable or Casper-RW in all lowercase characters. This exact label is what PALADIN actively searches for. Proceed with the format. After the process completes, confirm the volume is now labeled writable or Casper-RW, if that is what you labeled it as. To finalize the configuration, perform a full system reboot. As before, select persistent mode from the grub menu. During this boot sequence, PALADIN will detect the writable volume we configured and automatically mount it as persistent storage. Your PALADIN environment is now configured for persistent storage. This means all changes, saved files, installed software, and modified settings will be retained through reboots, ensuring a consistent and efficient workstation for your forensic analysis. You have now successfully configured a persistent storage volume in PALADIN. This capability is essential for any serious workflow that requires customization and data retention. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.